Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enhance your videos with Instagram edits. If you are using Instagram and you want to enhance your videos, let's see how can you do that. First of all, just have to open your Play Store, and here you just have to search for edits to get Instagram edits app. You must have to install this app. If you have installed this, tap on open and the app will be open, and here just tap on this plus icon, then tap on gallery to select a video from your gallery. As for example, I'm going to select this one or this one. Just select the video which you want, and from here just tap on the video and you will get magical effects option here. Just tap on it, and from here you can increase the quality of your videos. You must have to select the effect from here. As for example, I'm going to select this one or this one. Just select the effect which you want, then tap on this done option, and here just tap on this 2K, and here you just have to select HD quality, and once you have selected, just tap on export, and it will completely export your video. So in this way you can easily enhance your video's quality with Instagram edits. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.